Hi everybody, this is Matt. Thanks for watching and welcome back. Well, I am down deep in the bowels of my basement to talk about a maintenance item that you can fix that can save you a lot of money if you do this fairly religiously over a period of time. And what is that? That is simply replacing your furnace filter, because we're heading into the winter months, and the one thing that you don't want to have happen is you don't want your furnace blower motor to stop and to seize up and things to go really, really wrong when it's cold and snowy out. Trust me, been there before, done that, not a good time. So why am I talking about replacing a furnace filter? That's probably one of the most overlooked things that there simply happen to be when it comes to home maintenance. And furnace filters are cheap. However, a little caveat. You can spend way too much money on a furnace filter, and I'm going to show you what I use and why I use it. So let's just, through the magic of this camera, this phone being able to kind of flip-flop around, let me just show you exactly what I am doing. So I'm going to move over here to my furnace. I apologize already for it being dark in here, but hey, this is a basement. So I take off the cover, and here's my furnace filter. So notice that the airflow is going this way. So I'm simply going to pull this out, and this filter happens to be a 16 by 25 by 4, and I'm going to replace it with an identical one. Now, one thing that you're going to notice about both of these, you don't see any name brands on them. These are simply contractor grade type filters that are available. So here's the new one that I have. Take a look at how nice and clean that is. And here's the one that I am replacing. That is filthy. So side by side, let's see if we can get you a fairly good view. I know it's kind of hard to see, especially when we're talking about white and gray, but right here, this is real dirty, and on the other side, it is brand new, really clean. So contractor grade filters, these cost me about $5.50 a piece to swap them out, so I swap them out on a very regular basis. I have, unfortunately, used some of the high filtration filters. I'll show you how I'm putting this back in here. I've used some of the high filtration filters before, and while they work, here's, sorry for the noise, folks, but that's how it goes. So let's get you looking back at me. All right, so with those high efficiency HEPA filters and that, where you can easily spend up to 30 bucks for a filter, they can actually shorten life on that blower motor that is in your furnace. Because what happens is they increase the resistance, which means that, for lack of a better term, your fan has to work harder. It has to be able to pump harder. And I have had that take out the blower fan at the most inopportune time in the middle of winter. So what I use is I just use these contractor grade filters that I can get at a local hardware store for about $5.50, and I change them out. They work just fine. And as long as you take care of these things on a regular basis, it helps to keep that entire system working the way that it should. So, a little bit different video, but we talk about fixing stuff anyway, right? So anyway, there you go. Just a quick tip, especially since we're headed into wintertime. So everyone, have a good one. Be safe out there, and we'll catch you later. Bye-bye.